the meaning of this song, Gonamombe Rerume, is all talking about bravery. This is like a story I was told by my mom's spirit, that I asked him, why you always sing this song and then you possess my mom and you go out in the middle of night? And he said this was the song that we used to sing during war. So not many people would be that brave to face the war, face maybe 10 to 15 people against that group alone and kill them all and destroy. So, or face the fierce forest. Long ago there were fierce forests with many lions and a lot of dangerous animals. So one would go alone and kill, use his bravery to kill either lion, either snake, either what, alone, single-handedly in those fierce times. So this is about bravery, about someone who is very brave to do anything alone, single-handedly. This is the meaning of the song Gonamombe Rerume.